Complete drying within seconds prevents water spotting on the brass surface.
Good coverage, uniform color.
Plating thickness must measure between 8 and 10 microns for durability standards. The journey of Canada's iconic Loonie begins here, where raw steel is forged under extreme heat.
20,000 tons of iron ore arrive weekly to feed the coin blank production line.
The ore travels underground through half a mile of automated conveyor systems. Inside this blast furnace, temperatures exceed 1,600 degrees Celsius.
Pure molten iron flows at nearly 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 tons of liquid steel moves across the factory floor every 8 minutes.
Precise nickel plating alloy is added to create the Loonie's distinctive gold appearance.
Rapid cooling transforms liquid metal into solid steel in seconds. Rolling mills apply 4,000 tons of pressure to flatten the steel. The steel is rolled to exactly 1.6 millimeters thick. Each sheet is sheared into blanks, ready for the next transformation. Annealing heats the steel to restore malleability for coin stamping. Acid pickling removes all surface impurities and oxidation.
The steel must be perfectly clean before nickel plating begins.
Each coil contains 5 miles of steel strip ready for electroplating. The steel coils travel 40 miles to the Royal Canadian Mint electroplating facility. Every coil is tracked from steel mill to coin press with digital precision. "40 tons of liquid steel moves toward the continuous casting line. Rapid cooling transforms liquid iron into solid steel billets in minutes.
Precision cuts divide each billet into workable sections for the rolling mill.
Controlled cooling prevents structural defects in the steel matrix. Reheating to 1100 degrees makes the steel malleable for rolling. The hot rolling process reduces thickness while extending length exponentially. Each pass through the rollers reduces thickness by 30%. 5 sequential passes transform thick billets into thin, coil-ready strip. Controlled water cooling stabilizes the steel's crystalline structure. Each coil contains over 2 miles of precision-rolled steel strip.
Clear signal. Lift.
Steel coils move to chemical treatment before becoming coin blanks.
Acid pickling removes every trace of scale, preparing the surface for precision blanking. Each coil is tracked digitally from steel mill to coin production facility.
3 tons of precision steel begins its journey to become Canadian currency.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the blocks. Okay, hold it right there.
Transport regulations require multiple redundant securing systems for heavy loads.
Every shipment requires documented chain of custody for security protocols.
The 400-kilometer journey to Ottawa begins at dawn.
Highway 401 connects Canada's industrial heartland to the nation's capital.
10,000 trucks travel this route daily, carrying industrial materials across provinces.
Midway through the journey, fuel and safety checks are mandatory.
Fuel stops are calculated precisely to maintain delivery schedule windows.
Ottawa, 100 kilometers ahead. As the truck nears Ottawa, security protocols intensify for valuable cargo. The Royal Canadian Mint sits just blocks from Parliament on Sussex Drive.
The Mint's Sussex Drive location has produced Canadian coins since 1868.
Security measures rival those of government buildings, protecting currency production.
The loading courtyard is isolated and monitored 24 hours daily.
Precision unloading prevents any damage to the carefully prepared steel.
Each coil is weighed and documented before entering production areas.
Quality control begins the moment materials enter the mint facility.
The steel's transformation from coil to coin blank begins on the blanking press floor.
The Royal Canadian Mint has operated at this location for over 150 years.
Every employee undergoes rigorous security screening before entering production areas. Personal protective equipment is mandatory throughout all production zones. Eye and ear protection shield workers from the intense stamping press operations.
The production floor operates 24 hours, producing millions of coin blanks daily. 6 high-speed blanking presses operate simultaneously, cutting 60,000 blanks per hour.
Each coil contains enough steel to produce 40,000 individual coin blanks. Straightening removes coil memory, ensuring perfect blanks with no warping. Feed precision is measured to 1/100th of a millimeter for zero waste. Ten blanks are stamped every second with 60 tons of hydraulic pressure. Collection bins hold 15,000 blanks before requiring transport to inspection. 98% of scrap steel is recycled back to the steel mill.
25.40, 1.60.
Every batch undergoes dimensional inspection before advancing to heat treatment.
Raw blanks travel to annealing furnaces for stress relief and hardness adjustment.
Annealing heats blanks to 700 degrees to restore malleability.
Controlled atmosphere prevents oxidation while maintaining precise thermal treatment.
Rapid quenching locks in the precise hardness required for coin striking. Automated sorting directs blanks to electroplating, edge finishing, and quality testing departments.
Each blank follows a specific path depending on its destined coin denomination.
Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic oils and residues from the blanking process.
5-stage rinsing achieves pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness standards required for plating. Heated drying prevents water spots that would compromise electroplating adhesion.
Human inspectors work alongside AI systems to achieve 99.9% quality.
Artificial intelligence detects microscopic defects invisible to human inspection.
Defect analysis drives continuous improvement in the blanking process parameters.
Weight precision ensures proper striking pressure during final coin minting. Edge quality determines how cleanly the reeded pattern will strike during minting. Surface roughness must measure below 0.2 micrometers for optimal plating adhesion.
Complete traceability tracks each blank from raw coil through final striking.
Electroplating transforms steel blanks into finished multiply coinage material. Surface activation prepares the steel to accept electroplated nickel and copper layers. Activation creates a molecularly clean surface for atomic-level plating adhesion. Three-stage rinsing prevents cross-contamination between plating chemistry baths. Copper strike creates a base layer that bonds permanently to the steel core.
Multi-layer nickel plating provides corrosion resistance and the foundation for brass finish.
The brass finish gives the Loonie its distinctive gold appearance and wear resistance.
Ultra-pure rinsing removes every trace of plating chemistry, preventing surface contamination. Complete drying within seconds prevents water spotting on the brass surface.
Good coverage, uniform color.
Plating thickness must measure between 8 and 10 microns for durability standards.
Basket clear.
Burnishing removes microscopic plating irregularities, creating mirror-smooth surfaces. Ceramic media and precisely measured solution create controlled abrasive action. 45 minutes of tumbling creates the mirror finish required for coin striking. Automated separation recovers ceramic media for reuse in continuous burnishing cycles.
Hot rinsing and drying prevent any water spotting on the burnished surface.
Excellent finish.
Mirror finish gloss must exceed 90 units for optimal die strike detail transfer.
Edge reading creates the distinctive grooved pattern, identifying denomination by touch.
120 reeds are struck into each blank edge in 0.2 seconds.
Rim uniformity ensures consistent die contact during the final striking operation. Final washing removes any handling contamination before the blanks face the striking dies.
6 high-speed coining presses strike 3 million loonies per day at this facility.
Each coining press applies 110 tons of pressure in a fraction of a second. Master dies are precision-engraved steel, hardened to resist millions of strikes.
Alignment precise.
Die alignment precision determines the sharpness and centering of every struck coin.
Good strike.
The first strike validates die installation before automatic production begins.
Strike quality verification ensures every subsequent coin meets Royal Mint standards.
Automated production maintains 12 strikes per second for continuous high-volume output. Each strike compresses the metal with such force that coins exit the press at 80 degrees Celsius. Controlled cooling prevents thermal warping that could compromise coin flatness specifications. Vision inspection analyzes 50 design parameters on every coin in 0.1 seconds.
Automated counting achieves 99.99% accuracy, eliminating manual counting errors.
Each wrapped roll contains exactly $50 in newly minted Loonie coins.
Each sealed box is tracked digitally from press to vault to distribution.
Statistical quality sampling verifies every production batch meets exact specifications.
Press 4 hydraulics are overheating. Adjusting flow rate now.
Centralized monitoring optimizes production safety across all.
Dies are refurbished and rehardened many times, extending their productive life.
24-hour production operates across 3 shifts, maintaining continuous Loonie output.
All right, team, let's keep that quality up. Base, operator 4, all secure.
Nearly 3 million loonies are struck daily, supplying Canada's cash circulation needs.
Robotic automation handles coins with precision impossible for human workers to maintain consistently.
Robotic grippers use vacuum technology, preventing any surface contact that could mar finishes.
Machine learning algorithms trained on millions of coins detect defects invisible to human inspectors.
Collision avoidance software calculates thousands of movement paths per second, ensuring safe coordination.
Automated stacking achieves perfect alignment, ensuring wrapped rolls maintain structural integrity.
8 rolls are wrapped simultaneously every 4 seconds, maintaining production flow rate.
Optical character recognition verifies every wrapper print matches the actual coin denomination contained.
Robotic boxing eliminates repetitive strain injuries while maintaining perfect box packing consistency.
20 automated vehicles transport materials throughout the facility without requiring human drivers.
Stretch wrapping protects palletized coins during storage and transportation to financial institutions. Automated warehouse stores $100 million in finished coins across 20,000 pallet positions.
Stacker cranes retrieve any stored pallet in under 2 minutes using computer-optimized pathfinding.
Centralized control manages inventory, tracking every individual coin batch, from production through distribution. Every pallet retrieval automatically updates central banking system inventory in real time. And this is how modern technology transforms raw steel into Canadian currency, from mill to circulation.
Final quality audits verify shipment integrity before coins enter circulation through banking networks.
Encrypted tracking monitors every coin shipment from mint to final banking destination.
Armed security protocols protect coin shipments valued at millions of dollars per transport.
And this is how modern technology transforms raw steel into Canadian currency, from mill to circulation.
Metrology laboratories maintain climate control within 0.1 degrees, ensuring measurement accuracy.
Coordinate measuring machines verify dimensions to accuracy of 2 micrometers, finer than human hair.
Cross-sectional analysis verifies each plating layer achieves specified thickness, preventing premature wear.
Electron microscopy magnifies coin structure 50,000 times, revealing atomic-level plating quality.
Accelerated wear testing simulates 20 years of circulation in just 2 hours of laboratory testing.
Edge reading consistency prevents counterfeiting while identifying denomination by touch for visually impaired users.
Strike quality evaluation uses numismatic grading standards, ensuring circulation coins achieve exceptional detail.
Magnetic signatures provide invisible authentication that vending machines and payment systems verify instantly.
Environmental testing validates Loonie durability, exceeding 30 years of normal circulation conditions. Conductivity testing ensures compatibility with coin-operated equipment, adding electrical sensing technology.
Confirmed. Pass.
Spectrophotometry measures coin color objectively, ensuring every loonie maintains identical appearance.
Acoustic resonance creates unique sound signature that humans instinctively recognize as authentic coinage. Hardness testing verifies annealing and plating processes achieved optimal balance of durability and formability. Weight precision to 0.01 grams ensures proper operation in coin counting machines throughout banking systems.
Dimensional precision ensures coins stack properly and feed reliably through automated handling equipment worldwide.
Human expertise provides final quality verification, combining decades of experience with technological precision.
Comprehensive quality documentation tracks every measurement, ensuring each Loonie meets Royal Canadian Mint's uncompromising standards.
Quality Control Laboratory operates continuously testing samples from every production stage before circulation approval.
X-ray fluorescence analyzes complete elemental composition non-destructively in 30 seconds per coin.
Composition compliance confirmed.
Spectroscopy detects metallic impurities at single parts per million, ensuring alloy purity for longevity.
Grace, the corrosion current is extremely low here.
Confirms the long-term durability.
Electrochemical testing predicts corrosion resistance.
Salt spray testing simulates coastal marine environments where coins face harshest corrosion challenges. Minimal corrosion after accelerated testing confirms robust protection exceeding circulation durability requirements by wide margins.
5B, excellent adhesion, no delamination.
Adhesion testing verifies atomic level bonding between plating layers, preventing delamination during circulation handling.
Ductility testing ensures coins survive accidental damage, like vending machine jams, without plating compromise.
Drop testing simulates coins falling from counter height hundreds of times, verifying circulation durability.
Abrasion testing accelerates years of pocket wear and handling into hours of laboratory evaluation.
Color fastness testing validates brass plating maintains distinctive gold appearance despite decades of light exposure.
Copper and nickel alloys provide natural antimicrobial properties, reducing pathogen transmission through currency handling.
Thermal shock testing validates coin stability from Arctic winter to summer pavement temperatures exceeding 80 degrees. Multiple physical and compositional authentication parameters create counterfeit-resistant profile verified by automated detection systems. Statistical process control enables proactive quality management, detecting process shifts before defects occur. Complete quality documentation provides traceability for every coin batch, from raw material through circulation distribution.
Final quality approval by Chief Quality Officer provides ultimate assurance every Loonie meets uncompromising Royal Canadian Mint standards.
Comprehensive quality archives enable complete traceability decades after production, supporting continuous improvement and accountability.
Approved batches move under continuous security monitoring, from quality certification to final packaging.
Automated counting achieves speeds impossible manually, while maintaining perfect accuracy through redundant verification.
60 coin rolls are wrapped per minute, with bilingual denomination markings meeting federal currency standards. Vision inspection examines every wrapper, ensuring secure packaging, protecting coins during distribution transit.
Case Erector produces 200 boxes per hour, providing packaging for $5 million in currency.
Robotic packing eliminates human handling, reducing contamination risk while achieving consistent packing quality.
Serialized labeling provides chain of custody tracking from packaging through final banking distribution delivery. Inline verification ensures every box contains exact coin count, preventing shortages or overages in distribution.
Palletizing robots build loads carrying $50,000 per pallet in optimized configurations, preventing transit damage.
Stretch wrapping provides weather protection and tamper evidence, securing currency during warehousing and transportation.
Vault storage protects billions of dollars in finished currency under military-grade security until distribution orders received.
Automated warehouse stores 10,000 pallets worth $20 billion in optimized high-density configuration.
Distribution orders are fulfilled within 30 minutes from electronic order receipt to loaded armored transport departure.
Synchronized multi-crane retrieval optimizes fulfillment speed, ensuring banking distribution maintains currency supply chains.
Secure loading dock isolation prevents unauthorized access during vulnerable currency transfer from vault to armored transport.
Transfer of custody documentation creates unbroken chain of accountability from mint vault to banking distribution centers.
And this is how modern factories produce Canadian loonies from start to finish, transforming raw steel into